Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best cheap lawn mowers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cheap lawn mowers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cheap lawn mowers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a cheap lawnmower. First, think about the size of your lawn because smaller lawns need less powerful machines, while larger areas require more cutting strength. Next, check the mower's build quality and materials since a durable frame can save money over time. Also, look at the cutting width and height adjustments to ensure they fit your lawn's needs. Don't forget to consider the type of mower, whether manual, electric, or gas-powered, depending on your budget and convenience. Finally, review maintenance costs and spare part availability because cheap models can become expensive if parts are hard to find. A simple, reliable mower that matches your lawn size and usage will give the best value. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.